If you're experiencing controller drift while playing The Sims 4, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to help resolve the issue and get back to enjoying your game. Step 1. Check controller settings. Ensure that your controller settings are properly configured in the game. Go to the settings menu and look for controller options to adjust sensitivity or dead zones. Step 2. Clean the controller. Dust and debris can cause drift. Use a soft cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to gently clean around the analog sticks and buttons. Make sure to let it dry completely before using it again. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Check if there are any firmware updates available for your controller. Connect it to your console or PC and follow the manufacturer's instructions to update. Step 4. Recalibrate the controller. Many controllers have a calibration option. Follow the instructions specific to your controller model to recalibrate it, which can help eliminate drift issues. Step 5. Test with another game. To determine if the issue is with The Sims 4 or the controller itself, try using the controller with another game. If the drift persists, the problem may lie with the controller hardware. By following these steps, you should be able to address the controller drift issue and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. If problems continue, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.